Hey folks, welcome back for another question and answer session today. And today's question is one that I absolutely love. It is, can you use AI content? Is it ethical to do so? And in what ways can you use it? So first, let me say that I'm not a lawyer. And some of these questions should be directed to your lawyer if you're using this content for work. But generally speaking, if you want to use an LLM to generate a brief report on something, or even a longer report, it's okay as long as you're not publishing that. So if you generate something for some friends at work, that should be fine. If you're going to put it on your website, yeah, not so much. That's where you would want to talk to your lawyer. And the distinction comes in if you are going to assert copyright when you publish the thing. If you're not publishing it, you're not asserting copyright, you don't have a problem. On the other hand, if you're going to make it public, if it's going to get out there and you're going to say that it's your original work, then maybe not, because these things are trained on a large amount of content already produced by others. It gets a little more nuanced if you're using this for code generation, because then we might reasonably say that people learn how to program from copyrighted materials. So why can't an LLM, for example, use programming that it learned from copyrighted materials? But again, in all cases, this is something where if you're going to make it public, if you're going to share it with people outside of your company, outside of your immediate work group, then you should really talk to a lawyer or a copyright official. Now, there's some great guidance for this on copyright.gov. They have a really good report that kind of lays out all the concerns you need to have about this. So thanks for tuning in. And if you have any more questions that you'd like, drop them in the comments below. I know we got a couple last week from last week's video as well. And we're really excited to be putting these out and answering questions for you. All right. Have a good one. I'll see you out there.